Hi, good evening. This is Red Press from the Red Contraferta newspaper here in San Jose in Santa Clara County. We are here in front of me. I'm here in front of me. The County of Santa Clara building, the campus, right here. See, let's talk about a little bit about the coronavirus vaccine. Yeah. The Operation Warp Speed, has three main American corporation labs. The first one is Pfizer, and also when combined with the German, the BioNTech corporation labs. Pfizer has already developed in 11 months the COVID-19 vaccine. Well, I'd like to explain a little bit how it works. The doses in the shot, the vaccine is it comes with a set of 2 doses. The first one, it comes first, and the second one, it comes with a dosage between 21 days and 30 days. Probably, it could be even less, but I don't know. Still, we have to confirm that. Secondly, it's a 50 million doses, which has been confirmed by Pfizer. Pfizer is a worldwide corporation, American corporation, which has a lot of commitments with Canada and also United Kingdom. But United Kingdom had the Astra-Zeneca. But Astra-Zeneca is slowing down for a little bit its own COVID-19 vaccine and took off in approval, the Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine. They already last week. They started already the general health vaccination with senior 90 years old women with 90 years old from Pfizer vaccine. As you know, as I mentioned a little bit previously, it's a set of 2 doses, 2 shots between the period of 21 and 30 days. Pfizer has another partner, which is Moderna. Moderna is, by the way, the Pfizer is a worldwide, American corporation. So Moderna is a small one, but the thing is, Moderna has a vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine, 95% effective. But one of the issues, which is looking much better, is the Moderna vaccine has no problem from the refrigeration. Like Pfizer. Pfizer has, a little bit, but it's a question of infrastructure. They already worked it out. But still, Moderna has 95%, and also has very conditions. Now, Operation Warp Speed. President Trump with Vice President Mike Pence, has made, the ranges for the 100 million doses will be covered by Moderna. By the next semester, was upcoming right now between December, January, and February and March. In the first quarter of the year, I wanted to keep going with the general vaccination in the United States. And the third line, is Johnson Johnson Lab Corporation will have available for the next year. I'm talking about January and February, that will be producing, the COVID-19 vaccine. This is for now. But the production should be between, in the beginning, original plan, it was 3.2 billion, doses. But it went up to 4.3 billion doses. Remember, Pfizer has a lot of commitments, and compromise with the United Kingdom, also Canada, Mexico, and also Israel. Those are the main country which has already has agreements from Pfizer. Now let's talk about a little bit the state. Few days yesterday, has arrived 327,000 doses to California. The Governor Gavin Newsom has agreed from Pfizer. Pfizer, it's compromised with California. They are complying right now, sending over here, California, those 327,000 doses of coronavirus vaccine. But also, and a couple days ago, Governor Newsom has mentioning in the latest news, Moderna is gonna send us in the next week 672 COVID-19 vaccines. Now, how does it work? Governor Gavin Newsom is making all the efforts in order to get the COVID-19 vaccine to start the massive vaccination with the population in California. Well, it's a good beginning. We are talking about very close to 900,000, a little bit more, very close to 1 million doses. Not enough, but California has 40 million people here in our state, in the Golden State. Governor Newsom has a lot of commitments and promises, and also we're here in Santa Clara County. So I'm in front of me here, the president of Santa Clara County, Cindy Chavez, has mentioned is in the yesterday in the Santa Clara County meeting by online. That Santa Clara will be available the COVID-19 vaccine, and probably next week they already have something, but it relies, from the Governor Gavin Newsom promises. Yes, Governor is doing the best as he can. Now, right now is a great demand of the COVID-19. It's not just in the United States of California; it's all around the world. Country for Latin America, trying to get Pfizer, but also Moderna. Moderna will be is already developed, but it's a massive production. It's not an easy task. Like I said, it's United States is working as a team. We have 3 main layers. It's Pfizer and BioNTech. The second one is Moderna, and the third one is Johnson Johnson. It's the 3 main American corporations which are already in place in order to make a massive production of the COVID-19 vaccine. As you know, let me remind you, everyone, the COVID-19 vaccine, it has a single 2 doses. It has to be a 2-shot. One in the beginning, and then the second one, it should be in the period of the 21 and 30 days. Talking about a little bit, a few moments, maybe 1 hour ago, when one of the nurses from the other side, back here, say, well, the vaccine has to be, you keep putting two at a time. It has to be in a certain period of time, because it's not going to work. It has to be not too close the days. I overheard, in the meeting, it could be even less than 21. Well, I don't know. It has to be confirmed if Santa Clara County can do a different way of where really is stipulated by the corporation which has made the COVID-19 vaccine. And also we have the Russian version, which already started all over. Last week the massive vaccination held for all the Russian people. They are still in the 500,000, but they still, they are in the beginning. United Kingdom started already, and China has 80%, its own vaccine effective. Russia has its own vaccine 92%, but they claiming that they are 95%, as equal as Pfizer and BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Look, right now, is the great demand. Most of the countries of the world, they are requesting that this vaccine ain't going to stop. The coronavirus it started in February. It made a worldwide pandemic. And then, so we had to stop, the spread, and also stop and kill to the minimum to the COVID-19 pandemic. We hope so. It's gonna be really fast, but Operation Warp Speed is on. So we hope so. That 150 million doses will be ready for the next month. One is Pfizer and the second one is Moderna. who's making 100 for the federal government, and Johnson Johnson will place very soon, next month. It started the production, massive production for all Americans, and probably for overseas. Okay, it should be for today. Today is December 16th. We have a few days, a little more than 8 days from Christmas Eve. Yeah, and we hope that the general vaccination start right away and try to save a lot of lives. This is Ray Press for la Contrafuerte newspaper here in San Jose, California, United States, and Santa Clara County. We are here in Santa Clara County building campus right here. Okay, thank you.